Hello and welcome to my new project. This year we have built a new fontaine, and in this video you will see how we finish the first part of the fontaine. We now picked a spot in the garden where we will later feed the water to the already existing water pipe and also have a power connection for the pump. First we make a small hole in the ground so we can place our fontaine lid there. Now you see how we start to drill a hole with a hand drill. We will probably come down about 5 to 6 meters deep. Unfortunately, this will only happen in small steps, like 20 centimeters. You can see how less excavation is coming out every time. The first half meter is done, and we notice that we already touched some stones, which is not unusual, currently in the first 2 to 3 meters, and usually it is buried rubble. The first stones are noticeable. The first 3 meters are done, and you can see that we already mounted the extensions. The amount of excavation is much higher now because the floor is much softer. Now the first problems are coming up. We have now removed the drill head, and we now start with a rod on a stone which is lying across, and now we try to solve it somehow. With the help of the flashlight, you can see the stone very clearly, which we have to remove somehow. Here you can see the stone. We have now extended the hole a bit to be able to solve the stone or to recover, and have also installed a KG pipe so that it does not fall further, which will be removed afterwards. As we reached 6 meters, we did not get any further with the drill. We now put in the fontaine pipe. The first meter is a normal pipe, which is not slotted as swam pipe. Then there's a 2-meter slotted pipe following. You see now how we screw on the pipe where the clamp is to the load. Here we will now put up our flagstone so that we will bring weight on the fontaine tube. Now we have put weight on the fontaine tube with 10 flagstones. With the rope and help of the gravel pump, we press down the fountain tube and you can see how it sinks. Unfortunately, it was not very much, but the gravel looks good. Now you can see the construction with a ladder and a pulley. Make sure that the ladder is secured against falling over. With this method we are at 18 meters and we have enough water. We are now in the middle of December and because of the weather we will now stop the fountain construction and we will continue working on the fountain in spring. We will build a fountain level and close it, and in spring there will be another video where you can see how we continue to build.